Welcome back to FSR Academy GK Today Series 2. So today we will discuss some previous important questions, that is top GK questions in English, Bengali, Assamese and Hindi medium. Okay, so I am requesting all the aspirants, those who are till not subscribe FSR Academy, please subscribe FSR Academy and be study with us. So let's get started our today's GK Series 2. The first question of today's series: which union ministry implements the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme? Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme, PMKVJ. That is PMKVJ is Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme. This scheme is a flagship scheme of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. You just write it down. The second short form MSDE. MSDE is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneur. Okay, and which is implemented by National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC. So in first question we learned three abbreviation. Okay, so from this discussion already we got the options, we got the correct response. The correct response is Ministry of Skill Development. J is a flagship scheme of Ministry of Skill Development Entrepreneur and which is implemented by NSDC. Okay, we can move forward for the next question. Next question number 2 is in front of you. Which union ministry issued advisory on obligation of public service broadcasting? There are 4 options are given: Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, B Ministry of Communication, C Ministry of Home Affairs, D Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So there is a relation between question and option. There is broadcasting, here is also a broadcasting. So the option A is the correct option. We can move forward for the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, who has assumed charge as the new Vice Chief of Indian Air Force? Indian Air Force, the correct response is Air Marshal A.P. Singh. Okay, we can move forward for the next question. The next question is, which city is the host of the first G20 Energy Transition Working Group meeting? Here there is again one abbreviation will be there, Energy Transition ET. Working Group Meeting, ETWGM. Bengaluru is the host city of the first G20 Energy Transition Working Group Meeting. So the correct option is option B. We can move forward for the next question. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5 says, which country has removed the British monarchy from its banknotes? সেই দেশটি হচ্ছে Netherlands, Poland, Sweden, Australia. The correct response is Australia. Okay. Next question number 6. Question number 6 দেখেন আপনাদের সামনে, which country is the host of 2027 Asian Cup Football? Asian Cup Football কোনটো দেখে হেৰি কৰিব হেষ্ট কৰিব? আমাৰ ইয়াত 4টি অপশন দিয়া আছে, ভাৰত, পাকিস্তান, সৌদি আরবিয়া, সিঙ্গাপুর. The correct response is Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It is KSA or Saudi Arabia. Next question আপোনালোকৰ সন্মুখত question to আপোনাৰ চাওক, Bani Jairam, who passed away recently, was associated with which profession? There are 4 options are given: politician, sportsperson, singer, saint. We all know that Commonwealth game was played in 2022. So the name of the game was Commonwealth Game 2022. In that Commonwealth game, Tejaswin Shankar, who got bronze medal in 2022 and he was associated with high jump. Next question number 9 আপনাদের সামনে আপনারা দেখেন, Vishwabharati University which was seen in the news recently is located in which state? A Uttar Pradesh, B Bihar, C West Bengal, D Odisha. I know everybody knows the answer because Vishwabharati University is there, and Vishwabharati University is founded by Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore in 1921. 1921 সনে বিশ্বভারতী ইউনিভার্সিটি আমাদের বিশ্বকবি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর সেটি প্রতিষ্ঠা করেছিলেন। এবং the most important parts of this question is UNESCO. UNESCO has announced this Vishwabharati University as the world's first living university for its culture, for preservation of its culture, promoting arts, languages and cultural studies. Okay, so the correct option is option C, West Bengal. Next question আপনাদের সামনে question number 10. Question number 10 says Yayaso is a biodiversity site located in which state? Yayaso, the pronunciation of it is silent, so it is Yayaso. Yayaso is situated in Ladakh, so it's Ladakh's first biodiversity heritage site. It is biodiversity heritage site of Ladakh, first biodiversity heritage site of Ladakh. This Yayaso is also known as Birds Paradise. Birds Paradise. Sometimes in competitive exam it is asked that Birds Paradise is situated in where? In Ladakh Paradise. Okay, so these are the questions of today's series. So those who are watching these classes in other social media platforms, especially in Facebook, I am requesting you go to FSR Academy YouTube channel and subscribe the channel so that you will get the class on time. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.